welcome back to Zik the programming guide channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to put flashlights on your home screen. So in order for you to have the phone button and the flashlight button on your screen, all you need to do is simply hold down on your home screen like this, and you're going to see wallpaper and style. You're going to click on wallpaper and style, and you're going to see your lock screen right here. Click on that, and once you click on this, it's going to set it up. So this is your wallpaper and how your lock screen looks like. So in order to change this camera to torchlight, to your flashlight, you're simply going to tap on it. So once you tap on it, it's going to bring out all this, so you can decide to choose any one you want. But since we're going for flashlight, you can see touch. Click on touch and you can see I've changed it. So all you need to do is click on done, and anytime you lock your phone, this is how your lock screen is going to look like. It's very easy and simple to do. So this is literally how to add flashlights on your home screen. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. That's my next video. Bye.